everyone. So today we're going to go over how to add the speak screen function so you can get your final exams read to your students' final exams read to them, not you reading your final exams to you. You'll figure it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go into your settings. And the one on your screen is going to look slightly different than yours, but it's not going to be too big of a difference. So under General, you're going to have something called Accessibility. Now mine is actually on the left screen, but yours will be under the General. All right. From there, you're going to tap on Speech. So your speech is going to be kind of up at the top. Mine says Spoken Content, but that's okay. There we go. And the screen should look the same here. So you're going to turn on both Speak Selection and Speak Screen. So mine were off, and I'm going to turn them on. And then down at the bottom, or towards the bottom, you see Voices. So you can tap on Voices, and then tap on English. And from here, you can select whomever you want to speak. Note the ones with the bigger numbers are going to sound better. So as long as your kids aren't low on space, pick the biggest one and go with it. All right? Okay. Perfect. So now that that's on, we just need to turn on Assistive Touch, okay? Because Mastery Manager locks out a lot of things, and it won't let them speak the screen with just the normal two-finger gesture. So we have to turn on Assistive Touch to get that to work. So I'm going to go back to my main accessibility menu. You're good. And then I am going to turn on Touch. Now it's found under the interactions for you, or for me, it's physical motor. Yours will say Assistive Touch, but that's fine. And then you just turn it on. And you'll notice a nice little square appears. Isn't that fun? Okay, so we need to actually change what that says. So you're going to tap on Customize Top Level Menu. All right, and you might have a whole bunch of icons, or your students might have a whole bunch of icons. You can really minimize that down to one, or you can go crazy. You can maximize up to, I don't know how many it fits. It goes 8, by the way. Okay, and then you tap on the icon that you want to change, and so there you go. And then you just scroll all the way down to Speak Screen. There you go. So now when kids want the test read to them, they're going to tap on that button and it will speak the screen to them. So let's try it out. So we're going to go to Exam Login. Now Exam Login is the star. Good luck finding it. We're just going to search because I have a bunch of apps. There we go. Exam Login. And you're going to tap I have a test code. Perfect. So this test code is just kind of a sample test. Obviously, your kids would use the test code for their final exam. By the way, this only works for item bank assessments. So if you have something that's not an item bank assessment, you're kind of out of luck. But the good news is it's not randomized, so that's better, I guess. Sure. There you go. All right, and then you're going to type in. If you'd like to do it, you can. If you want to just watch Serena do it, you're more than welcome to do that as well. But it's super fun. This.
You did. It's great.
Fun. Yeah, and then find. All right, you're just going to make up a super fun student ID. It can be from 1 to 1,000 letter numbers. I don't really know what it is. And then we'll take it in English because that's the only one I actually put in there. Perfect. All right, so you're going to confirm app lock-in. So now you're stuck in this app. Anything the kids do is going to submit the test or not let them do it. So here I have a nice fun little picture. And if I tap on my Speak Screen button.
Log out. Would sample read aloud MN test. Question 1 of 5. Mickey Mouse's first appearance was in a film named.
So notice that it's going to read the title of the test first. So you may want to shorten your test. I know that there's this very strict naming convention, but maybe for this purpose, you can just call it like, I don't know, biosped test, biotest. Math test, I don't know, whatever. Serena will help you out with the naming conventions. Also note anything that's complex, like mathematical symbols, it's not going to be able to read. So just be aware of that. It's not something that will do it automatically or anything like that. So there are some hiccups, but generally it does a pretty nice job. While it's speaking, you do have some controls, so you can speed it up or slow it down, or you can skip to the end or the next chunk or section. Your screen might look a little bit different. Your controls might look a little bit different depending on what version of iOS you're on. But other than that, that's how you use Speak Screen, and that's how you do it for a Mastery Manager test.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.